Hello everyone, so I want to show you guys in today's video what I eat in a day as a digital nomad remote worker. So first things first, I'm going to start to unpack this food to go that I've got from a nearby fast food. So let's see what we've got. Yep, so there you go. We have here chicken with wheat, cucumbers, pickles, a mix of salad, and some. I have four different types of sauce, and here I think this is called Lebanese bread. And they offered me a plastic fork, so looks really good. Everything was around $10, which is a very good price. Yep, so this bread here looks really stunning, and I tried to make this sort of bread by myself at home, but it didn't really, the taste is definitely different and much better from the store because they do it. Yep, so I'm going to give it a try, and let's see. Wow, this looks really good. I'm very sure it's going to taste amazing. Alright, so now the second meal for today consists of this cheese pie, and basically inside of it there's cheese. It's sweet cheese and some raisins, and it looks really delicious, and I'm very sure this will taste really good. Alright, and now the last meal for today consists of just snacks. This is the easiest thing that you can eat, just snacks, just for fun and just for, just to grab a snack.